Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am testing out GLAMGLOW Glitter Mask. I'm sure you've seen this all over the place, but basically GLAMGLOW masks, they're pretty iconic. I feel like they are totally up there with the best of the best face masks, and the fact that they've got glitter in one and it's a peel off mask, to be honest, like it seems a little bit gimmicky, but considering their track record with masks and the popularity of them and the proven results, everyone loves the GLAMGLOW mask. I just am a little bit skeptical about this one having glitter in it and, you know, not working as well as it says that it should. The fact that it's a peel off one, like they've hit the novelty nail on the head with this mask, I feel. So I'm going to test it out today and see if it lives up to their expectations. Now this is a first impression, so I'm just going to use it once and show you my first impressions. I should have thought about this, but last night I did a face mask. I did the Sand and Sky face mask, so my skin like feels so nice and smooth from that. So this mask claims to be a firming treatment. I don't know if I'm going to see results straight away anyway, but it firms, lifts, tightens, and tones the skin. Yeah, I didn't actually like, you know, test out my skin. I don't know how to like tell if something's tightened. Like I would like to think, yeah, I don't know. But basically, I'm just going to put this on. Now, I was actually lucky enough to be gifted this from Mecca Max. So I got this when I went to Meccaland. Oh, I just opened it. Hello, sexy. Here are 3 things you can do while you're waiting for your mask to dry. Watch an episode of your favorite TV show, throw a glitter party and dance around, take the perfect glitter selfie. So it comes with a treatment of, this is the silver one. It makes you look like Tin Man. We have a little brush. So it just comes like this in the box with the little brush by its side. Okay, let's give it a go. I'm gonna open him up. Ooh. Look at all that glitter. The first thing, and I forgot that about this scarf. Why did I say scarf? I forgot that about this mask is it smells like bubblegum, candy, like grape berry flavor. Like I don't know how to describe it. It smells so freaking amazing though, like really yum. Comes with quite a lot of product. I do want to point out that the brush is actually really nice quality. It's super, super soft. It just looks like really high quality. Like I like the fact that they've spent a little bit on the brush considering the price of the product. I believe that it's around $80. I can't actually see it on Mecca's website. So it is potentially something that hasn't launched yet here in Australia, but all their other masks are around $86. So $86, you know, I would hope to get a nice brush with that as well. I think I'm just going to use what's on the lid first because there's quite a bit of product on the lid and I hate wasting product. Like I really hate wasting product. So you'll see, oh my God, it smells like a Super Duper. Do you know like the icy pole things? That's what it smells like. I don't know how like thick to put it on. I should have probably put my hair up before doing this. I've never done a peel off mask before, so this will be very interesting. So I've basically got all of that off there. I'm just going to keep applying this, and it says, of course, avoid eye area. So I'm going to avoid that and just go around the edges. Oh my God, it smells so good. I feel like I'm using a lot of product. Like the product is quite thick. Look at those lines right there, especially with the peel off mask. I want it to look good when it peels off. Okay, at this point, I'm just about to finish putting it on, but I can feel that tingling, and I know from experience, like the tingling is good with masks, unless it's burning. There's a couple of masks that I use that tingle just for like, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds or so. It just means that they're working, like their active ingredients are working, which is a really good sign. So I just hope that I put this on thick enough. I just know when I did my like Maybelline brow tattoo experience that I didn't put it on thick enough. You have a bit of time to play with, like the mask doesn't dry instantly kind of thing. Like it gives you time to like work with it. But yeah, this is the mask on. It's tingling. It's working. So I'm going to wait half an hour. I'll come back and peel it off for you guys. It's literally not even, it doesn't even know that I'm a face right now. Oh my God, what do I do? Okay, well, I'll see you really soon. Bye. Okay, so I am about 20 minutes deep in my 30-minute leave-on mask. I can't even talk right now. And I just went, I can feel it tightening. And I just like smiled, like stretched my mouth before, and I can see like this little flappy bit here where the mask is a bit thinner and it's dried completely. I can still feel like it feels quite cool on the skin, so the tingling didn't last very long at all. But I also forgot to show you a close-up, so I will show you all the glitter on my face. So yeah. So I'm just going to sit and wait for another 10 minutes or so until it's completely dry, because this does not look dry, but it kind of is. It's a little bit sticky. So I've got a little bit longer to go and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been well over half an hour and I'm going to take the mask off. Reveal my face. Okay, so I think you peel from the top, do you? I don't know. Is it completely dry? Like, I mean, yeah, it's completely dry. Oh, there's a bit of glitter sticking out there. Now, I've never done one of these before, so I hope I'm going to do all right. Hopefully it doesn't hurt. Like, I mean, oh. Okay. All right, this is interesting. It doesn't, like, I mean, it hurts a little bit, I'm not going to lie. It comes off really easily. Really easily. Oh, hello. Oh. Okay, cute. That was so fun. I can see why these are addictive. Here's my face. That was really fun. I've got to say, like, that was so fun. I'm just trying to see if there was just like, oh, I can see little stuff from my nose. But like, it's so hard to see because of all the glitter and everything. But yeah, that was fun. Like, my face feels like a little bit red. And I do have some leftover residue. It does say remove it with water, but I'm just using some micellar water because that's what I've got here. So I'm just gonna take that off, and that comes off really easy, to be honest. And there's really not much left on my face anyway. I can see that my skin reacts really, really easily. And you would have noticed that in a recent like scrub exfoliating mask that I did. It reacts like it's gone. I can see that it's got a red cast over it. But I want to, yeah, oh wow. It kind of looks like I've had a reaction, but I don't think I have. I think it's just that my skin reacts so easily to things. So I'm just going to clean that off. When you peel it off, that initial like pinch of the skin, like it hurts a little bit. It's just like a pinprick kind of thing, but all over. I don't know. Look at that line around my face. Okay, let's try and move past that. I feel like the skin in my forehead, it's less wrinkly. It does appear to be more tight. I don't know how long these results last for. Like, I mean, I quite enjoyed the mask. I don't know if it has any benefits long term, but that was fun. I'm not gonna lie. I really enjoyed it. But am I going to spend $86 on something just for fun? Like, I'd want it to work too. Like, I mean, I do think that I can feel like my skin feels a bit more tight, if that makes any sense. I don't know, especially my forehead. Like, I can feel that there. And like, I mean, it was already pretty smooth from the mask that I did last night, but it, you know, it feels really nice. I don't know if this review was helpful, but I've demonstrated a fun new product and it was fun for me to film. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye.